Hi, Kagawad Maki! How are you? Siyempre, hindi ko pwedeng makalimutan ang napaka-special na araw today. It's your birthday! Alam ko, nagpa-party-party ka. Ang dami mong mga charity works para sa iyong mga minamahal na nasasakupan ng iyong mga kabarangay. At we're here, of course. I want to celebrate your birthday naman. Nakasama naman kami. Kami naman. Next, soon. Please come and visit us here in Mindoro. At we can celebrate even if it's late. Your birthday here, or I'll come to Manila. I'll go to Manila to see you. Let's celebrate with our Connect the Dots Barkadas. Again, Maki, wishing you all the best. Love you, Mama. And see you. Good luck. Cheers!